Sebelum nonton, klik subscribe, like, dan share, juga bunyikan loncengnya ya.
This is a story about Jim Hawkins and the Hidden Treasure Island. One day, Jim was sitting at his father's inn, the Admiral Benbow, until an old sailor that is known as Billy Jones showed an old treasure map, and he told tales of pirates and the hidden treasure of the long-dead Captain Flint. "It is the map the pirates want," Billy said. Soon after, Billy passed away, and Jim decided to take on adventure to find that treasure. He then sails with his trusted friend, Captain Smollett. On the ship, that was his first time to see the Hispaniola. He was so excited and thrilled until suddenly Captain Smollett beckoned over him. He said he doesn't trust the crew. Suddenly, there was a voice boomed behind them, and it was the Long John Silver, the famous one-legged sailor the late Billy Jones had told him about. In the middle of the sea, Jim tried to get along with the crew, but one day, at ship's kitchen, he overheard Silver told another sailor about the Flint's treasure map he has. He was shocked, but thankfully, Silver didn't know that he was there. "We were Flint's crew, so it was ours by right. When we see land, you stay aboard and take the ship. I'll find the treasure." The next day, the crew scrambled on deck. Then hesitantly, Jim told Smollett that Silver is planning a mutiny. But then Smollett told him not to be worried because he has a plan. Then Smollett called out Silver. "Long John Silver, take some men and go ashore. We need supplies." Jim hid in their boat as they cast off to find out what exactly Silver's plan is. But Silver spotted him. Silver shouted at him. In panic, Jim dived into the water and swam ashore. Jim made it to the shore and hid. Then, a man with a shaggy beard stepped forward. He said that he was Ben Gunn, and he asked about the ship. "Flint is dead, but his old crew is leading a mutiny," said Jim. Then, he met Smollett, who said that when Jim and Silver went ashore, the pirates left aboard mutinied, and that makes him and those who are loyal to him escape with a rowboat that sunk with a cannonball. They swam ashore and found Flint's old fort and set up a camp there. Suddenly, the pirates ran the mutiny and attacked Flint's fort. Jim ran away with other Smollett's crew, tried to find a place to hide. But someone grabbed him roughly. "Captain!" he shouted, but no one heard him. The big pirate that grabbed him took him to see Silver. "I believe you have something we want," said Silver. "You'll get nothing from me," said Jim. But then the big guy pulled out the map from his satchel. But then Silver whispered something to Jim, that he will keep him safe as long as Jim stands by him. Silver led the expedition, and finally they made it to the grove where the 3 pines stood. But what they found there was only a hole with empty cases and chests. The pirates turned to Silver and Jim with swords and cutlasses drawn. "Run, Jim, run!" said Silver. They ran and met Smollett, Ben, and the crew who are ready to fight the pirates. Silver handed Jim one of his pistols, and they are ready to fire. One by one, the pirates dropped their swords and backed away. Silver then quickly ran over the rowboat and destroyed it so that the pirates cannot go back to the ship. After the pirates gone, Ben told Jim that he hid all the treasure from the evil pirates. They went to the cave and there glittered gold, silver, and unusual coins. It was Flint's treasure. Ben told Jim that in his lonely wandering about the island, he found Flint's treasure and carried it to the cave. When Jim was kidnapped, Ben had told Smollett that the treasure was gone. That's why Smollett and his men was there at the grove. Jim gathered what they can carry to the ship. It was a weary work, and when the sun started to set, they decided to leave the rest behind. They have more than they could ever spend. The mutinous pirates were left on the shore, marooned just as Ben had been. All except Silver, that was. They had made a deal to stand by one another. One early morning, while everyone was sleeping, Jim crept above the deck and saw Silver rowing away with a sack of coin, and that was the last time he ever saw him. The end.